Alright, let's talk about Spotify's cool new feature for all you book lovers, Page Match. Ever get super annoyed trying to find your spot when you switch from a book to an audiobook? Well, Spotify's got a clever fix for that. It's called Page Match, and it's a total game changer. So how does it actually work? Let's walk through it. It's surprisingly simple. Okay, first things first, you've got to find the feature inside your audiobooks chapter list. Now you get two choices. Are you going from paper to audio or the other way around? Heads up, the app will need to use your phone's camera. Just hit allow when it asks. It uses some smart tech to literally read the page, works on regular books and even e-readers. So to scan to listen, just aim your camera at the page. Boom, it syncs up instantly. Just a quick pro tip though, make sure you've got a solid internet connection for this to work smoothly. Going back to your physical book, just scan a page and the app will guide you from there. Yeah, you might have to flip a few pages, but it'll point you to the exact right line. And this is available on a ton of books already, over 500,000 English titles on Spotify. Oh, and here's a cool bonus. You can even buy physical books right there in the app. So to wrap up, it syncs your audio and physical books, it's for English titles, and it works best with good internet. It's all part of Spotify's bigger picture, making reading totally flexible and personal for you. You know, a feature like this really makes you wonder, what's next for the future of reading?